A very good morning to class 10 students. I am Anshul sir, as you all know, and we are continuing with the chapter Manufacturing Industries. Manufacturing Industries, we have done a lot of part of this chapter, and today I will be telling you some of the steel plants of India. Okay, I will be telling you some of the technicalities, some of the facts about the different steel plants of India. Okay, so we will begin with the major steel plant, that is Tata Steel Plant at Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Tata Industries, बहुत नामी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, one of the नामी industries, one of the popular industries of India, and Tata Steel Plant is located at Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. This plant is in private sector plant है, and this plant was set up in the year 1907. So before the independence of India, this plant was set up, and it is one of the major producing plants. Presently it is having the capacity 3 million tons of steel is produced by this plant. 3 million tons of steel is produced by Tata Steel Plant at Jamshedpur. The second steel plant is Bhilai Steel Plant, and Bhilai is a place in Chhattisgarh. The steel plant was set up in Bhilai in Chhattisgarh with the help of Russia, Soviet Union. Russia was previously USSR, Soviet Union. So with the help of Russia, this Bhilai steel plant was set up in the year 1956 to 61. Its present capacity is 52 lakh ton. 52 lakh ton is the capacity of this Bhilai steel plant. Third is Durgapur Steel Plant, and this is in West Bengal. Public sector plan government का है. Public sector plan again ये भी set up हुआ था with the help of Russia. With the help of Russia, this steel plant was set up, and this is also a major steel producing plant of India, and it is in West Bengal. Fourth plant that is important for us is Rourkela steel plant, and it is in Odisha, in the state of Odisha. Again, this plant was set up with the help of Germany. This plant was set up with the help of Germany, and Germany was the responsible for this, and 40 lakh tons it produces. 40 lakh tons it produces in a day. Next is Bokaro Steel Plant. Bokaro British era में बना था. In the time of Britishers, Bokaro Steel Plant was made. झारखंड में है बोकारो जगह, झारखंड में बोकारो स्टील प्लांट है. 10 million tons of iron is produced here, and this plant is set up with the help of Russia. With the help of Russia, this plant is set up. So these were some of the important plants that are operating in India, and they are producing steel in India. Quality steel production plants are there in India. Now we move on to the areas where we require iron and steel basically for production. The industries that cannot live without the production of iron and steel, and that industries that are dependent on the production of iron and steel.